Good afternoon, doctor and everyone. My name is Tan Chi Pai. My matrix number is AF190222. Today, let me give a presentation regarding the introduction of industrial wastewater treatment technology. Increased population and industrialization have resulted in declined water quality. In this context, wastewater contains many harmful substances and need to be treated before released to the environment. Chemical industrial waste usually contains organic and inorganic matter in varying degree of concentration. Chemical compounds and pathogens in wastewater can affect animals and human health. Thus, the treatment of wastewater is necessary before it enters the natural water bodies. The different physical and chemical treatment methods have been reviewed for the treatment of wastewater produced from pasteurized liquid at factory and wood furniture factory. Okay, we go to the slide of Thomas Emmett. A huge amount of wastewater is generated from pasteurized liquid air production. Discharge from pasteurized liquid air production factory was highly contaminated with organic pollutants in terms of COD and BOD. Untreated air processing wastewater was discharged directly into municipal sewer or applied to crop land. Wastewater discharged from wood furniture production factory was highly contaminated with soluble organic pollutants. The wastewater from the furniture industry is conventionally treated by coagulation or flocculation. This shows the low efficiency in the reduction of the toxic load. So this study is to propose the appropriate treatment technology for wastewater produced from pasteurized liquid at factory and wood furniture factory.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Kamal Arif. I'm a chemistry CF190018. I will talk about literature review. Water is a primary life-sustaining requirement for all living beings. Due to the large consumption of water in different unit operation, large quantities of influent water come as wastewater. Many water resources are polluted by household and agriculture waste and industrial processes. As a result, public concern over the environmental impact of wastewater pollution has increased. Okay, let's talk about biological treatment process. The secondary treatment can be defined as a treatment of wastewater by a process involving biological treatment with a secondary sedimentation. In other words, the secondary treatment is a biological process. The settled wastewater is introduced into a specially designed bioreactor where under aerobic or anaerobic condition, the organic matter is utilized by microorganisms such as bacteria, algae, and fungi. The next one is a chemical treatment process. Chemical treatment has always come before biological treatment in early wastewater treatment system. In the therapy procedure, biological treatment has recently taken precedence over chemical treatment. Chemical treatment is now regarded as a tertiary treatment that can be characterized as the treatment of wastewater by a chemical treatment method. Chemical precipitation, neutralization, absorption, disinfection, and ion exchange are the most often used chemical treatment procedure.
I'm Vincent Hong and AF190235 is my matrix number. I would like to give a brief presentation about my part, which is methodology. We made a review on how the study addressed processing wastewater generated from the two different raw materials manufacturing plants via two popular treatment methods, which were chemical method and biological method. In this study, pasteurized liquid and wood furniture factories were both selected as representative for food and wood industrial sector respectively. The audits concerning plant activities, industrial process and environmental status were conducted to determine the primary sources of pollution, thus choosing the most suitable treatment method. Also, the analyses were conducted in accordance with the standard methods for examination of water and wastewater, APHA 2005, and cover pH, chemical and biological oxygen demand, COD and BOD, total suspended solids, TSS, total organic nitrogen, TKN, total phosphorus, TP, and oil and grease. As stated above, there were two methods being used. The first one is activated sludge process, which is the most widely used biological treatment in secondary stage of wastewater treatment. Therefore, batch-type laboratory experiments were carried out using this process. As to the chemical treatment, it was applied using ferric chloride added with anionic polymer using jar test procedure to determine the optimal values of pH and coagulant dose, which gave the best removal of COD or pollutants. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nuramiza binti Muhammad Yazid, metric number 8F190064. I will proceed the presentation with result and discussion. Food industry selected in this study is pasteurized egg factory. The wastewater discharged by the factory is 15 meter cube per day. The wastewater contain 8,000 mg oxygen per liter of COD and 5,725 mg oxygen per liter of BOD. The wastewater is alkaline with pH value varied between 10.3 to 13.4. The amount of nitrogen in the wastewater is considerable with an average 275 mg nitrogen per liter, and the amount of phosphorus is 3.8 mg phosphorus per liter. The wastewater is treated by using biological treatment. The biological treatment was carried out by using activated sludge process. The phosphorus salt was added to compensate the deficiency of the nutrient since the initial phosphorus concentration was not sufficient for the biological treatment process. The highest COD and BOD removal value were achieved at retention time of 16 hours. After the treatment, the average residual values of COD is 728 mg oxygen per liter. Residual values for BOD is 335 mg oxygen per liter and total suspended solid is 195 mg per liter. The percentage removal value was 83% for COD, 85% for BOD and 82% for total suspended solid. These values are following the standard set by law for discharging wastewater into the sewerage system. Other than that, the wastewater also treated with chemical treatment. For chemical treatment, ferric chloride in combination with anionic polymer was used in the wastewater treatment process. Jar test was conducted to determine the optimum coagulant dose and pH value. The results showed that the optimum dose of ferric chloride was 600 mg per liter added with 6.5 mg per liter of anionic polymer at pH 7.4.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Siti Nuraisha binti Muhammad Sofri and my metric number is AF190080. I will continue present about result and discussion for wood furniture factory. Wood furniture factory use technologies biological treatment by activated sludge. The main source wastewater generated by wood factory was from dyeing cabin and washing floor. Wastewater produced contain concentration of COD and BOD are very high. Meanwhile, studies state that the characterization of wastewater for nitrogen and phosphorus deficient, which is 1.7 ratio 0.09. Therefore, biological treatment using activated sludge is used for organic pollutants that are in soluble form. The study was done by addition a concentration of 3.5 gram per liter was adapted to the wastewater for a month at a holding time of 24 hours. The total 50 samples were collected every 2 hours and settled for 1 hour. Then, concentration of COD and BOD were analyzed. Analysis of the treated wastewater showed that maximum COD and BOD removal was achieved at retention time of 12 hours. Next, for conclusion, the laboratory result obtained show that the chemical treatment gives better result compared to biological treatment. It is due to the presence of egg white that contain protein with 0.03% lipid, which denatured by physical or chemical stress. Egg white also contain foaming ability which can cause problems in aeration tanks of biological activated sludge system. Meanwhile, biological treatment from wood furniture factory was better due to the presence of organic contaminants in soluble form. That's all from me. Thank you.